Who attack fuckery?
No, yeah,
Who attack fuckery?
Hear that.
Who attack fuckery?
You can't style me no joke.
Who attack fuckery?
No way you do.
Who attack fuckery?
Let me tell you.
Who attack fuckery?
No way you do.
Who attack fuckery? Who attack fuckery? Who attack fuckery? Yes.
Yeah, but you can't style
Come
me.
warn me for the truth, you do it all the while. Come warn me for the truth, you do it all the while. All the while you do it. All the while you do it. Who attack fuckery? Who attack fuckery? In our house, I a while ago, I call you. In our house. That's why it's an echo. In our house, said that. Who attack fuckery? Me a idiot? Me a idiot? In our house, said that.
Same thing you want to say.
Me know, I the truth. I the truth. I the truth. I the truth. In our house, said that. Who attack fuckery? Who attack fuckery? Who attack fuckery? Me just call it earlier and I want to get echo when you're there. I was to do an echo. Since you have five, since you have five, so you can mean have none. Outside is echoing.
No house echo.
Of course.
When the house is it echo?
When it's empty, are you in the bathroom? May I eat that? May I eat that?
The house empty.
Excuse me.
The house empty.
Excuse.
So the house I'm going to empty.
Excuse. Excuse. I don't know where you want to go. I don't care where you want to go. You're going to give them what belongs to you. You're not going to give them mine.
No, listen now. That me I talk to you about no. Me thump in your face. Because you're going to just you try to use the style me now.
Me a style you?
What you do then?
Me a style you?
What you do then? What you do then?
Me a style you?
What you do then?
Me a style you?
What you do then, June?
Me a style you?
What you do then? What you do then?
Me a style you?
What you say, June, man?
Me a style you?
Yeah. You try to use every opportunity to try to style me.
Me a style you?
You understand? So any opportunity where you get,
me a style you?
Style me. That me see.
Me a style you?
You get me?
I mean, go somewhere?
No, man, you just do your badness, man. You understand? Because them say, oh no, better to better in a journey. I'm just because, yeah, I'm saying, you just do your thing. That's it.
Too rough.